Hey guys, so quick video for you. If you have the Sceptre monitor and you want to look on how to connect it to PS5, I'm going to show you how you can do it. So primarily thing here, you're gonna have HDMI in your Sceptre monitor, and what you need to do is that you need to locate for the PS5 HDMI port, and then you just need to connect it to the HDMI port. That's it. But what can happen is that maybe you don't have the HDMI port. I think that almost got it, but if you have only the VGA port, then you just need to have adapter. So you're gonna have VGA HDMI adapter, and then you just need to connect it together. So you're gonna VGA and the HDMI comes to the PS5, and this is how you're gonna do it. So hope it helped you. I just want to make this quick video for you how you're gonna do it, and yeah, have a great day and goodbye.